So when setting up your ad creative, you're going to see multiple format options, including single image, single video, carousel, canvas, and slideshow. Single image simply means one image will be displayed, but you can add up to 6 images and Facebook will cycle which one displays for each impression. Single video is self-explanatory, and slideshow means Facebook will create a looping video with up to 10 images. Carousel means the ad will rotate through multiple images while it's being viewed by one person. Canvas is a new addition which incorporates images and videos. Same story. Focus on the single image option this time and experiment with the others later. Now for the image design, you want to aim for 1200 by 628 pixels in size, but this can actually vary depending on the ad format, and keep in mind Facebook might change this in the future, so always look at the recommended size. Be sure to use high quality images. These can be stock images, funny images, or even just a portrait of you if you're pitching a personal brand. There are 2 things to keep in mind when using images. First, you want to minimize text on the image. People often think they'd like to cram their textual message into the image itself so it's not missed. But Facebook has actually determined that this is actually less effective and it annoys users. If your text takes up more than about 20% of your image's area, then you risk your ad being shown less or not at all. Second, you want to think about ad scent. It's been proven that conversions are much better if the destination page has the same look and feel as the ad they clicked on to get there. This doesn't mean it needs to be exactly the same, but take basic factors into consideration like brightness and darkness and primary colors, and anything else that might help your landing page look and feel similar to the ad image. For example, if you're using a stock image of a businesswoman in the ad, consider either the same image or an image with the same model on the landing page. This concept of ad scent is ironically one of the least talked about concepts in paid advertising. And frankly, a ton of marketers get it totally wrong. You've probably clicked on an ad targeting entrepreneurs with a picture of maybe a guy in a business suit or a blazer, and then when you click on it, you end up on a landing page that has a picture of chairs on a beach with a bunch of palm trees. There's no ad scent there. There's no consistency between what you clicked on and where you showed up. The data is clear. This hurts your conversion rates. And since nobody else seems to be paying much attention to this concept, if you get it right, you're already going to be one step ahead of your competition. Lastly, you'll have to draft your ad headline, ad body, and link description text. Make sure your text clearly conveys what you're offering. There's no one rule on whether your ad copy should be short or long, so you'll have to experiment a bit in the future to see what your audience likes best. You can also add a prettier version of your website URL to be displayed. Finally, you'll have the option of choosing a CTA button such as Learn More or Book Now. Once finished, click Place Order and get ready to start analyzing your results, which we'll be covering in the next video.